Welcome to Microsoft Teams for Students. Microsoft Teams is a collaboration platform within Office 365. Teams can help you stay organized, connected, and get things done more effectively. You can use the chat feature instead of email to collaborate on files in real time. You can customize the interface by adding notes and applications. And you can communicate with others via chat, audio, or video conferencing. To begin, log into the MyCoyote portal. You'll need to sign in using your CSUSB credentials. Next, scroll down to the Collaborate tile, select the Microsoft Teams tile, and then launch it. Before we continue, note that you have the option of downloading the desktop client to your computer. To do this, select the ellipsis on the top right corner. Select the Download the Desktop button and allow the program to download. Now I'd like to point out another way to access Microsoft Teams. This is by going directly to the Office 365 portal. To do this, go to portal.office.com. You'll be redirected to sign in with your CSUSB credentials to continue. Once you are in the Teams platform, you're able to create or join a team. To do this, select the button on the top right, then make your selection. If you're joining a team and have a code, enter the code. Or if you're creating a team, select this option. For this demonstration, I will be creating a team. Give your team a name and a description. Note, description is optional. Next, you'll select your privacy settings. Private means only the members added will be able to join the team, while public means that anyone with the link to the teams can join the team. I will select private. Now, you can add the members that you would like to invite to your team. Begin by typing the member's name. Notice that there are two options: member or owner. The team owner manages the certain settings for the team. They can add and remove members. They can add guests. They can change the team settings and handle administrative tasks. There can be multiple owners in a team. Members are the people in the team. They talk with other team members in conversations. They can view and usually upload and change files. They also do the usual sorts of collaboration that the team owner has permitted. I'll select the member option to continue. I have created this student team. Now this is my dedicated space where I can collaborate with other team members. Now let's look at the first tab, which is Post. This is where all your conversations and any activity that happens in your team will show. Let me send a quick message to my team member. Take a look at the formatting options and customize your message if you wish. The next tab is the File tab. The File tab is where all the files that have been shared in the channel get stored. You can upload your files from your computer or your SharePoint by selecting the Upload option and selecting the document that you want to upload. Once you have uploaded a document, everyone that is part of your team has access to view this document. For this example, I will upload an image and I'll share it with you. And here it is. Next, we have the plus sign, which is Add a tab. Select this option and take a look at the different applications that are part of Office 365. These applications integrate with Teams. Explore these options. Now let's continue with the vertical toolbar that is located on the left-hand side. This bar contains buttons for all the main views of Microsoft Teams. As you select each one, the content of the main content area changes to match the selected view. First, you'll see the Activity button. The Activity log allows users to view notifications and gives a user the ability to filter activities. In addition, users are given notifications of all the events happening in Teams. The next one is the Chat button. This button will allow you to have one-on-one chats or group chats among your colleagues. Click the New Chat option and type in the name of the person that you want to chat with. You will be able to select any team member that is part of our organization. I'm going to send a quick message to my colleague. If you want to send a group message, you can also do that. Next, we have the Teams button. This is your Teams gallery view. Here you can view all the teams that you are part of. Now, I'd like you to notice that each team has an ellipsis with additional options. For example, if I want to hide this Tips and Tricks teams, I can do this by selecting the Hide option. Once I have hidden the team, I can then scroll to the bottom of the page where my hidden teams are listed and unhide it. Now it's back to the top. You can also manage the team, you can add members, you can edit your team and delete the team. Next, we have the Assignment button. This will list all the assignments that have been assigned to you by your instructor. Assignments are listed in order of due date. The Calendar button allows you to schedule meetings. Please note that the Microsoft Teams calendar automatically syncs with your Outlook calendar. Therefore, if you schedule a meeting in Microsoft Teams, it will reflect in Outlook. The Calls button will allow you to call anyone from our organization. Type in the person's name to make the call. The Files tab will allow you to upload documents from your computer or from your OneDrive. Then you can store your files in your Teams SharePoint folder. We also have the Profile tab on the top right, which will help you manage your account. Select the General Settings. Here you can change your theme. You can change your layout from grid view to a list view. The Account tab provides you with information on your account. The Notifications tab allows you to customize your notifications. You can set up your alerts, call forwarding, and voicemail configuration. We encourage you to explore Microsoft Teams, and if you have any questions, please contact us at itstrainingservices@csusb.edu or support@csusb.edu. Thank you.